sell a product or service or to influence. Advertising is nothing beyond communication. So when I communicate, that is advertising. Whether I communicate through television, through print, or through personally coming here, or talking one-to-one, or what Manish was doing a research on online or offline, he is communicating. Basically, that's the form of advertising. So you are communicating. Advertising is nothing beyond communication. So believe that, and then only you can understand what's a form of communication. So you may go to an office, and that is a big office, which says in their external advertising, "Hum hai na," and you get influenced, and you go to the same office or the bank, and you realize that "Hum hai na," because somebody didn't respond to you properly. So when they didn't respond to you properly, they communicated something to you. So that is also advertising. Right? So when you call up some company and they don't respond to you properly, what do you get? You get a perception, you get an image of the company. So somebody calls up and tells you, तो बोलेगा हाँ कौन से क्या थी बोलो चो, blood group, आपका age, height, and all things will be asked by you, and then they will transfer the line. So that shows that what is the perception of that company. That company may say service is a smile, very nice lines, but you go there and it is crying. So you have to find out whether this is the right place to go there or not. So communication can be any form. Okay. So does communication, consumer insight is there? Then why consumer insight is used in advertising? That's the question. I want to communicate to you why advertising why consumer insights are used. Why there is a need of consumer insight to be driven and told to you. Give me a simple logic behind it. First is that it's a Me Too world. A red paint is a red paint is a red paint. So when I apply a paint and tell you that it's an Asian paint, you will believe. If I apply an Nerolac paint of red color, you will believe it's a Nerolac paint. And third day if I say it's a Johnson Johnson, you will find out it's a Johnson Johnson, because after applying, a red paint is a red paint is a red paint. It doesn't differ, but while buying, the communication affects. हर घर कुछ कहता है, and you feel that it's good one. So हर घर कुछ कहता है, yes, मेरे घर पे लगाने से मेरा घर कुछ कहने लगेगा, right? So they come out with this insight because it's a Me Too world. Is there any product which is monopolized? है कुछ monopolized? नहीं है ना? Very rare. Government के पास होगा तो monopolized होगा. The moment the government sees no money, they will give it to private sector. So, but the thing is that every product is having a Me Too syndrome. So when I am talking Me Too, तो product variety नहीं है ना कि मैं जब mineral water खरीद रहा हूँ तो दूसरे mineral water बेच रहे हैं. कोई हिमालय से लाके बेचता है तो कोई अरावली से लेके बेचता है. But mineral water ही है. So I have to come out with some insight so that you look at it. You find there is something which was not addressed, and these guys are addressing the same product, which has to be met. So that is the reason. So Me Too world, that's why you need a consumer insight. Secondly, it satisfies your hidden need. There is a hidden need which was there beyond a product need. Lot of example which I'll show you was already there in this market, but suddenly you found here this is better because they address your need beyond the product. It was going beyond the product, and it is more effective and relevant when you use consumer insight in advertising. It becomes more effective and relevant.